Hi there, this is Darren O'Neill from Darren's Tech Tutorials and darreno'neill.eu. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to correct when you can't SSH into a VirtualBox machine that you have up and running. So let me show you what the problem is here. So I have my VirtualBox CentOS machine here, and if I run an ifconfig, you see I get a couple of addresses, but none of them really look right. Even this one looks like a router. But if I just say, for argument's sake, I want to try SSH in, it's impossible for me to get in. Pretty much I have no route into that virtual machine. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to correct that and how to ensure you can SSH into your VM on VirtualBox. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do here is I need to actually shut down this machine as I need to make some changes to the network. And so I'm going to right click on my machine and I'm going to click close and I'm going to just do power off. And I'm just going to power off the machine and that is now powered off for us. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on my machine. I'm going to click settings. I'm going to come down to network. I'm going to click adapter 2 and I'm going to click to enable network adapter. I'm going to say host only adapter and then I'm going to click OK. And then I'm just going to power back on my virtual machine. Okay, so my machine's back up here. So let me just log in. And then what I'll do once I'm logged in is I'll open up the terminal. Okay, so let me just click on activities and open up the terminal here. Okay, now let me just run an ifconfig here again, if I can type today. Okay, and we can see now we have this new adapter here. So this is what I'm looking at, ENP0S8. So that's actually a new adapter that we've added. Okay, so first thing I want to do, I want to come down here and I'm going to cd into my kind of networks directory. This is on CentOS, so it might be slightly different on your Linux machine, but the concepts are pretty much the exact same. What we're doing is we're creating a new network adapter that gives us a route into our virtual machine. So it's etc sysconfig, and we are going to go into network scripts. And let me run an ls here. Okay, so we can see this is the S3 and this is the existing one that was there already. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type in sudo cp. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy it to here and I'm just going to change it to be match that name that we see, which is 8. So let me just press 8. Okay, and I'll put in my password here when prompted. Okay, so now you can see we have the two of them. So let me now edit this new one that I have here. So I'm going to do sudo by if, and I'm going to do 8 for that one. Okay, so let's change a couple of things here. We want it on boot. Yes, we do. Let me press I to go into insert mode. So it's just I to go into insert mode on by to make these changes. I'm going to change this to 8, again, just to match the name of it. And I'm going to change this one to 8. So let's open up Vi, press I to go into insert mode, change boot to yes, and change device to 8 and this to 8. So what you do to come out of Vi is press escape and then colon and then WQ for write, quit, and then exclamation mark, and then press return. Okay, so all we need to do now is actually restart our network service. So to do that, we need to type in sudo system ctl restart network manager dot service and then hit return. Okay, so let's run our ifconfig again here and see how we look. And we'll scroll up here. Okay, and we can see we now have an IP address for this new adapter. So let's try this. So let me pull this one over here and open a new putty window so we can see. And let's type in the address. So 192.168.56.101 and let me hit return. Okay, great. You can see I'm being prompted here now to log in. So I'll type in Darren. I'll type in my password and hit return, and that's it. And that's all there really is to it. Now, again, this was with CentOS that was shown on this demo. With Ubuntu or another Linux instance, the process is the exact same. You need to add a second network adapter to host only. Make sure that has an IP address, and then you can SSH into that. I do hope that has been helpful. If you did encounter any issues, please do comment below, and if I can help, I certainly will. And please do like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.